hope you're having a good day so far. Today we're demonstrating the connection of an RB3011 to a hAP AC through a coaxial cable, which are connected to two magic SFP modules from MDS Link over coaxial, as I said. So basically what we're trying to do is to show how easy and flawless it is to connect these Mikrotik devices over the coaxial cable, which exists in almost all the buildings, especially the older ones. So if you want to connect up devices or provide service in the older buildings, or in conjunction with cable TV providers like Shaw in Canada, then you can use the Magic SFP and Mikrotik devices to deliver that service, and with pretty good speed as well, I might say. Now, here's the 3011. We've configured that as a router. Well, basically the default configuration out of the box, and so this is our router. And if we look at the interfaces here, we can see clearly that we have a bridge, obviously, for the LAN, and Ether 1 is our uplink, and the SFP module or SFP port is our connection to the CPE device, which is the hAP AC here. Now, if we go to the interface SFP1, you can see we have traffic, and if you take a look at the SFP, we can see MDS Link Magic SFP. The setting is auto negotiation, so there's nothing there, and in the status you can see it's connected through 1 gig and full duplex, and there is traffic going through. Now we go to the CPE side, and this is the SFP. Again, same SFP module. Here we have auto negotiation. It's, it says advertising 1000. You can ignore that. That's not an issue. We go to the status, 1 gig, full duplex, traffic going through perfectly, and let's go to a browser and do a speed test, and let's see what kind of speed we're getting. Of course, this speed test is limited to the speed that we have here in the office. So let's try that and see how we're doing in terms of speed. So currently we're getting about 200 meg down on this link, and about 135, 133 on the uplink. Okay, so we've got pretty good speed, and if we have time, let's try the tools and the bandwidth test here. 192.168.88.1, which is the 3011. Both receive and send, admin, and start. Running. Okay. So as you can see here,